Find is an array function in JavaScript that calls a function on each array element in order and returns a first element in which the function returns true. You have an array with 1, 2, 3. You have a function that tells whether or not the number you passed in was even. When you pass even into find, it returns 2 because that's the first even number. You have an array with -1, -2, and 3. You have a function that tells whether or not the number you passed in was positive. When you pass pos into find, it returns 3 because that's the first positive number. Sum is an array function in JavaScript that calls a function on every element in the array. If at least one element satisfies the condition specified in the function, then true is returned. Otherwise, false is returned. Here, there's an array with 1, 2, 3. The even function checks whether or not the argument you passed in is even. When you pass even into sum, it returns true because at least one element in that array is even. This one's a bit different. When the checking function has two arguments, the first argument is the array element and the second argument is the array element's index. So fn is asking if the element is exactly equal to 2 more than the index of the element. That's why sum returns true here, because 2 is 2 greater than its index, 0, and that's at least one element returning true.
Like and subscribe to learn more.